Hi and welcome. This is a complete DevOps course made for people who want to actually understand DevOps, not just collect tool logos. Over 12 chapters, we will walk from the very beginning what DevOps is and why it had to be invented through CI/CD pipelines, infrastructure as code, containers, Kubernetes, observability, huh, and then dive into the tools you will meet on the job. Git, Jenkins, GitHub Actions, Terraform, plus a full chapter on AWS and another on Azure. So, what this course actually teaches? Every chapter follows same shape because that's how teachers explain hard ideas. Got it? A short story to set the scene, two or three different ways to define the topic. The reasons it matters, the mechanics, which diagrams and real code, the pitfalls teams hit, and at the end, a recap in 3 lines. Everything I have covered in this. We have various chapters. Do you want to see it? See here. DevOps Fundamentals, what it is, why it exists, and the 6 practices behind every modern team. Next, we have CI/CD pipelines chapter. Next, infrastructure as code, containers and Docker. Kubernetes is the most important thing. A person who says I know DevOps without telling Kubernetes and Docker, then he is definitely lying. Because the main tools which we needed for load balancing, orchestrating, containerizing, and the monitoring team which uses for observability, logs, metrics, traces, and the targets that turn stable into a number. Do you think that to monitor our applications very depthly, we need a complete huge pack of members which who will sit 24 hours on that? Because a single failure will impact our customer or user. Did you understand? So we have Git and GitHubs to build codes, and we can use their branches and merge our code, and then we can get an idea that the repository in production, etc., etc., etc. Jenkins to build pipelines, GitHub Actions for CI/CD, Terraform, which we use for AWS and Azure and Google Cloud providers, and for other dozens of SaaS providers. We have 2 chapters for AWS DevOps and Azure DevOps. And not only that, I'm going to cover the trending tools of 2026. With that, I'm going to give you extra knowledge of interview and questions. We have 60 questions as flippable flashcards. Cover the answer, then pick. First, see questions and let try yourself how you can answer. Then flip the card and see what is the answer. You may have getting one question, why another DevOps course? Because most existing material does one of two things. Either it lists tools without teaching the ideas behind them, or it teaches the ideas without showing you the code. This course tries to do both in the order a teacher would. Ideas first, tools second, because tools change every 6 months. The principles are the main. Small batches, fast feedback, declarative state, blameless improvement within time. We need everything. I'm going to use real examples on each chapter where I will show workflows, Docker files, and Terraform, etc. 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 Generally, you open on your Mondays, right? And I would like to tell that the whole content was created by me from the scratch and it's completely original and free and easy to use, share. Every page, diagram, code sample, and interview questions was written from scratch. Use it to learn. I hope you got complete idea and thank you for watching. Let's continue with our first chapter in our next tutorial.